Okay, don't worry, we will tell you today the biography of known. The 14th Minister of Road Transport and Highway Minister, Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir. Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir. As a great poet once said, music is the moonlight in the gloomy night of life. It brings us stellar, magnificent, and traveling fantastic life on that promise to take your sense. That promise to take your sense. Welcome to the world of freedom. Welcome to the world of freedom. Melody and expression. Melody and expression. Where minds shall shine and dreams take flight. Where minds shall shine and dreams take flight. Hey, you know what is our topic? Oh, our topic name is Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir. Yes, Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir. हर शाम आती है कुछ याद लेकर, हर शाम आती है कुछ याद लेकर, हर शाम जाती है कुछ याद देकर, हर शाम जाती है कुछ याद देकर। मगर आज की शाम में बहुत ही खास, मगर आज की शाम में बहुत ही खास, हम सबको एक साथ लेकर आइए, एक साथ लेकर आइए, एक साथ लेकर आइए। So fasten your seat belts, ladies and gentlemen, as we dive in this event, Brain Innovation Program, where every moment is masterclass in creativity. Today, we are here to tell you the information about the infrastructure man of India, the one of the most transformative and productive ministers. He is known as the flyover man, means Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir, the credited person with bringing a revolution speed and modern sustainable vision of India's infrastructure, particularly transportation. Brain Innovation Program, light spreads, make fields our lives with knowledge, wisdom and prosperity. Now hold your breath and brace yourself for a spectacle that will refund energy. Now we are performing our thunderous performance in front of you. So let's start by being happy, making others happy and keep shining all over the program.
Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir biography. Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir was born on 27 May in 1957 in Maharashtrian family with roots agriculture in Orange City, sub-capital of Maharashtra. Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir mother influence on his life.
The imposition of emergency in 1975, only a precipitation agent of Indian populace. The Gadkari Sir is very closely involved to RSS, it means Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, and to the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. He took the social works in a big way. Turning point. The emergency in the main event was a turning point in Gadkari's life. His active participation in politics began during those days and March continues. While being active student in politics, Gadkari completed his post-graduation in commerce, beside studying law and obtaining a diploma in a business management. Mission Antyodaya, an enduring feature guiding Nitin Gadkari's life to improve unprivileged through Antyodaya. Antyodaya stands for eradication of object, poverty, provision, every family, ensuring the last person in the every society gets the first opportunity to rise in life. Building smarter and sustainable roads. Under Gadkari's supervision, over 91,287 national highways have been constructed in last 7 years and 30,000 kilometers of new roads have been constructed currently. 22 world-class access control Greenfield Expressway project is also being led by Mr. Gadkari under Bharatmala Pariyojana. Phase 1 is present in various stages of construction. He is also called a man behind marvelous engineering, showcase like Bandra Worli Sea Link, 55 flyovers in Mumbai, Nagpur's multi-layer metro rail, and upcoming high-tech Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. The first and the important mission for Gadkari ji is that building smarter and sustainable roads.
The first responsibility opportunity realized Antyodaya through the good governance came Honorable Nitin Gadkari Sir way in 1995 when he became the Minister of Public Works Department of Maharashtra. Gadkari soon realized that Antyodaya could be only through roads connectivity and the more backward villages of the country.
A visionary, his impeccable credentials as a donor and the getted the nickname Flyover Man prompted Gadkari Sir to present before This concept was instrumental in making the Mumbai-Pune Expressway and 55 flyovers in Mumbai a reality in record time. Later, the same model was employed in what we see today as Golden Quadrilateral and Rainbow project by National Highway Authority of India. It also had to release a amount of budget funds earmarked for such a road to be utilized for rural road development. Only Honorable Nitin Gadkari sir was tireless in forest, resulting 98% of the getting total population of Maharashtra all weather roads connect in a record 4 years time. That included 13,736 remote villages. All this helped in containing the malnutrition problem among the tribal population in a Hyderabad region. Been constructed in last 7 years and 30,000 kilometers of new roads in currently 22 classes access control expressway led by Honorable Mr. Gadkari sir. You agree annual budget ministry also task. Honorable Nitin Gadkari sir was selected to the 16th Sabha from Nagpur winning by impressive margin. As a true practitioner of Antyodaya with proven track record, Gadkari sir launched and promoted several projects for the welfare of landless labor, small and marginal farmers, tribal in the left-wing affected areas, in the field of education, healthcare, water conservation, including opening of Ekal Vidyalayas, tribal in the district of Vidarbha. He organized more than 1,500 earth operations, transplant of artificial limbs for differently able people, 6 education program, encouraged tribal and rural handicrafts, bamboo craft, organic farming and biofuel.
All the projects were carried out with the utmost transfer, adhering to the highest standard of the integrity and without consider no equality.
Honorable Nitin Gadkari sir has made it missions to improve transport pure renewable the district and pollution free. Gadkari ji, your vision is grand. Gadkari ji, your vision is grand. Building India's future hand in hand. Building India's future hand in hand. Gadkari ji, a leader bold. Gadkari ji, a leader bold. Transforming India's future. Stories retold. Honorable Nitin Gadkari sir was elected in the 16th Sabha. He is the Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways. He do many great works like Bhadrapur Sea Link, 55 flyovers in Mumbai, India's first Delhi
related